Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Cordless Hammer Drill? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best Cordless Hammer Drill on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, Number 1. DEWALT 20V MAX6R Cordless Hammer Drill Kit. Tool only. DC-D996B. The thing with DEWALT is that it has a band of loyalists across the globe. They think of a powerhouse of a drill and they choose this American brand. If you identify as a loyalist, then you need to check out their DC-D996B model. Absolute beast for long-term investment. Most of us already know that DEWALT's reputation precedes itself, and with this latest model, they have proved themselves as the maker of products for the long run. That is the power and reliability of the DC-D996B. A mighty cordless hammer drill with a 20V brushless motor that will work for generations to come. It consumes low power and increases runtime by at least 57% according to the brand. Perfect for first-time hammer drill buyers. A classic professional tool with a solid build and ergonomic handles. The DC-D996B has a 3-mode LED spotlight for working in dark areas. 3-speed transmission for different applications, and nitro-carburized metal ratcheting chucks and comfortable handle grips for use in applications that involve hard materials like steel and stone. The torque is so effective in all 3 speeds, 2,250 RPM highest, that you will start using it for all your applications. Such is the power and charm of this DEWALT model that can be sometimes so loud you will need your muffs. While the switch buttons are dust and moisture proof, we found them to be made of low-quality plastic. Number 2. Makita XPH7Z1/2 Cordless Hammer Driver Drill. Tool only. Imagine a cordless hammer drill that is an epitome of everything you would desire in your ideal power tool, and then take a look at the Makita XPH7Z. You will start seeing similarities. An epitome of everything means it has to shine in all the departments. Makita, in an attempt to do this, added every possible feature in its XPH7Z model that it could, starting with its light, metal frame that makes it the go-to tool for all hard drilling. It's just a bit more than 6 pounds in weight with the batteries, which makes it not only easier to hold but also convenient to put pressure on during a job. Its high torque of 1,090 inch-pounds in pounds further elevates its stand amongst competitors by DEWALT and Bosch. We especially dig the 3-gauge LED battery level indicator that is missing in most high-end models. While most of us do keep a spare battery handy, it is good to know when the current one is getting low on juice because it also affects the torque. This is important if you are going to start a new task that requires all the might of the drill. It has dual speed modes, 0 to 550 and 0 to 2100. Has an ergonomic extra handle to keep the drill in control, and has a brushless motor that never cackles. Push the bit into the hardest material and the motor will never give in. That is the power of this Makita beast, the all-cool everything model on our list. Number 3. DEWALT 20V MAX6R Hammer Drill. DC-D996B. Made for tougher projects that require a little extra muscle. The DEWALT 20V MAX6R Hammer Drill has a 1/2-inch ratcheting nitro-carburized metal chuck with carbide inserts, a 20V brushless motor, and delivers 2,250 RPMs with a lithium-ion battery, able to produce 250 BPM and 820 EWO. This drill provides fast application speeds and durability with 3 speeds built in. Weighing over 4 pounds, this brushless hammer drill comes with comfortable handle grips, a 360-degree side handle, and a 3-mode LED light for visibility. This DEWALT drill also includes a 20-minute shut-off function for extended working time. The only downside with this model is that it does not come with a battery or charger. Number 4. SKIL 20V 1/2-inch Hammer Drill. HD 527802. When it comes to small home repairs or DIY projects, a light-duty, reliable option is the SKIL 20V 1/2-inch Hammer Drill. This 3-in-1 tool functions as a hammer, drill, and screwdriver and comes with 2 speed settings, high and low. The 1/2-inch keyless check also comes with an auto spindle lock for easily changing bits. For ease of use, this option is just 4.3 pounds, comes with a 1/2-inch keyless ratcheting chuck, and has an auto spindle lock to make changing bits quick and easy. With over 1,450 RPM in tow, this drill comes with a 2.0 all-lithium-ion battery and charger and is suitable for use on wood, concrete, and metal. Number 5. SKIL 20V 1/2-inch Cordless Hammer Drill HD 527802. Despite its affordable price tag, this SKIL model is one of the most versatile cordless hammer drills on this list. It has everything a professional and a dyer will look for. SKIL used to be an underdog in the power tools market. Today it is one of the most popular brands when it comes to versatility in power tools. Take this HD 527802 model itself, which boasts a dual-speed transmission, 3 modes of operation with an easy trigger switch, built-in LED light, and a superior lithium-ion battery that includes a temperature management system to keep the heat in check for longer life. If that sounds basic, consider this. Its versatility means the tool is suited for both professionals and dyers who are looking to get some heavy drilling done. While professionals might see the low torque of 350 inch-pounds as a disadvantage, it is still perfect for applications that require high-speed drilling, maximum of 1,450 RPM. When it comes to speed, SKIL compares with Bosch, and both of them are probably the only manufacturers who focus on actual speed ratings. The PWR Core 20V battery is another highlight because it sets itself apart from others through its durability. Fast charging aside, it is really capable of powering your tool for years because of its temperature control system that keeps it cool for longer, especially if you are using it for hours at a stretch. All of this at a price like this makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone interested in owning a cordless hammer drill.